In this video, we're gonna find out how the IELTS exam scores are calculated. First of all, what you need to know is that you're gonna be evaluated on 4 different skills, meaning writing, listening, speaking, and reading. And in your IELTS certificate that you will receive, you'll see a score, a band score, for each one of these skills. You will also receive a final band score, which is an average of all the 4 skills. Let's start with the reading section. In this section, you'll have 40 questions that you need to answer, and each question is worth 1 point. When you finish all the answers, IELTS has a conversion system where they change the score that you receive in the exam paper and they convert it to IELTS band scores. So for example, if you answer 30 questions correctly, it will be equal to a band score 7, or in other words, a C1 level. The listening module is also the same as reading. So there you get also 40 questions, and depending on how many questions you answer correctly, the conversion system will then convert it to the band scores. However, when it comes to speaking and writing, everything is different because here we have rubrics. So for each one of these 2, meaning speaking and writing, you'll receive a band score descriptors, or what we call it as a criteria assessment table. So this table consists of 4 different criteria, both in speaking and in writing. Each one of these criteria is worth 25%. So overall, you'll get 100% or a band score 9. But how do they do that? So what they do is that for each criterion, you will receive a band score between 0 and 9. And then your final score for speaking or for writing will be an average of all these scores. So for having a recap on this section, we have 4 criteria. Each one is worth 25%, and you'll receive a band score 0 to 9 for each criterion. And the average score will be the average of all these scores. And finally, when you received your scores, your converted scores for each of the skills, then your final band score will be an average of these 4. That will show your English proficiency level overall, and that's what you will see in your IELTS certificate. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or doubts, leave a comment down below or send me a DM.